Nervous about your dental implants consultation? Here's exactly what happens. A dental implant consultation is where we first determine whether you're a candidate for dental implants. We go over health history, treatment options, and walk you through the whole process. We will take dental records and do a thorough dental exam. This includes x-rays, intraoral scans, and pre-surgical photos. Then you will spend some time with me going over your options. There's no hard sell here. We are here to educate you, explain your options, and help you every step along the way. At the end, our treatment coordinator will go over the various options we have for making this affordable for our patients. For nervous patients, just know that nothing during this consultation is going to hurt. There's no shame, there's no judgment. We are here to help and make your experience as comfortable as possible. To anyone avoiding this consultation because they're embarrassed, you have nothing to be embarrassed about. I can't count how many times patients have told me that their teeth will probably be the worst that I've ever seen. We are our own harshest critics, and I promise that there is zero judgment from anyone at our office. We have seen it all. We want to help. There is zero pressure to commit at the first consultation here. There is no hard sell or exploding offer. This isn't a used car dealership. We will educate, we'll go over your options, and we'll help you find a way to afford them. If you decide against it, there is zero obligation. Ready to take the first step? Click the link below to schedule your complimentary consultation.